Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, make sure that your headphones aren't broken in any way, just check them. Next thing you can do is restart your phone by clicking and holding the power on button and restart. Next, at the top of your phone, there is a flip here. Let me open it. With a headphone jack. Just clean the headphone jack with non-metallic tools like the soft brush, Q-tips or compressed air. Next thing you can do is just try another pair of headphones. If you're using the Bluetooth headphones, make sure to restart the Bluetooth headphones as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.